So welcome back students in class 6 subject mathematics exercise first D. Now yesterday we had done the estimation to nearest tens. Now today we will start estimate the following to nearest 100. Okay, so before starting to solve this question, let me explain how to round off the nearest 100. Okay. So here are some questions for you. Look at here. First we have to take 3-digit number. Now look at here. These are some questions. Here you will see the numbers which are having three digits, and here you will see the number which have 4 digits. Okay. So first let me solve 3 digits. How to round off to nearest 100. This is ones place. This is tens. This is 100. Okay. So I had told yesterday also that which place we have to do round off, that place ahead we have to observe the digit. Okay, like here we have to round off to nearest 100. यहाँ हमें round off करना है 100 place को, इस मतलब इसको 3 को round off करना है 100 place. Okay, so which digit we will observe? We will observe tens place digit. Okay, nearest tens में हम क्या करते थे? टेंस प्लेस को राउंड ऑफ करना था तो वंस प्लेस को हम ऑब्जर्व करते थे. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू राउंड ऑफ 100 प्लेस, so we will observe टेंस प्लेस डिजिट. ओके, अच्छा, एट टेंस प्लेस डिजिट व्हाट इज देयर? 1 मींस लेस देन 5 से छोटा है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये आगे के दोनों डिजिट क्या हो जाएंगे? 0. ओके, एंड दिस 3 विल कम सेम एज इट इज. ओके, दिस 3 विल कम सेम एज इट इज. Understood? So this type you can do rounding off to nearest 100. Again once times 100. किस प्लेस को राउंड ऑफ करना है? 100 प्लेस को राउंड ऑफ करना है. तो किसे देखेंगे हम? We will observe tens place digit. क्या है यहाँ? 9 is greater than 5 से बड़ा है तो ये दोनों तो क्या हो जाएंगे? 0. And here plus 1 we will do. At 100 place plus 1 we will do, so plus 1 3. Okay, again 472 ones tens 100. राउंड ऑफ करना है हमें किसको? राउंड ऑफ करना है 100 प्लेस को, so we will observe which digit? tens place digit. So at tens place digit what is there? 7 is there, greater than 5 से बड़ा है, then it will become 0, it will also become 0, and here plus 1, that means 500. Okay, so that means, look at here, this is the shortcut method I have taught, but if we think that at 100 place how to do round off, generally 314 will come in between 300 and 400. 314 किसके बीच में आएगा? 300 और 400 के बीच में. तो ये किससे ज्यादा nearest है 300 से या 400 से? It is nearest to 300. So that's why we have written 300. Now 298. 298 comes in between 200 and 300. 298 किसके बीच में आता है? 200 और 300 के बीच में. हम 100 प्लेस की बात कर रहे हैं, तो it comes between 200 and 300. तो अब ये किसके ज्यादा नियरेस्ट होगा? 200 के या 300 के? It will be nearest to 300. That's why here 300. Okay. 472 comes between 400 and 500. Okay. So it is nearest to which number? 400 or 500? So naturally 472 comes nearest to 500. That's why we have written here 500. Okay. This is the logic behind it. But for remembering how to do this method also, you can use which I am telling you. Okay. So which place we have to round off? हमें कौन सी प्लेस को राउंड ऑफ करना है? 100 प्लेस को. ओके, यानी इसे राउंड ऑफ कर रहा है तो वी विल सी 10th प्लेस. यहाँ क्या है? 9. It is greater than 5, so it will become 0. It will become also 0, and here plus 1 we will do. 6 plus 1 7. Means 699 comes between 600 and 700, and 699 is nearest to 700. Okay. Now these were the 3-digit numbers. Now here 4-digit numbers are there. Okay. So let's see how to do ones. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. But according to question we have to do nearest 100. ठीक है. 100 place is this. इसे राउंड ऑफ करना है. So which digit we will observe? We will observe 10th place digit. Okay. So here is 1. Means less than 5. 5 से छोटा है. It will become 0. It will become also 0. And these both will come same as it is. 2400. Understood? Means 2413 comes between 2400 and 2500. तो 2400 और 2500 के बीच में ये नंबर है. ठीक है. कौन सा? 2413. तो ये किससे ज्यादा नियरेस्ट होगा? It would be nearest to this or this. Naturally it is nearest to 2400. That's why it is 2400. Okay. Now again ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. So we have to do round of nearest 100. अगर nearest 100 round off करना है, then we have to observe 10th place digit, and here at 10th place digit there is a 4. 4 means it is less than 5. 5 से छोटा है. It will become 0. It will become 0, and these both will become same as it is. ये दोनों same as it is. Understood? Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So at 100 place we have to do round off. So which place we will observe? We will observe 10th place digit. So what is there? Here is 8. 8 means greater than 5. 5 से बड़ा है, तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. It will become also 0, and here plus 1 we will do. So 6 plus 1 7, and 2 same as it is. Understood? Now again ones, tens, 100, 1000. At 100 place we have to do round off. यानी 3 को राउंड ऑफ करना है. So we will observe 10th place digit is 5. If 5 or greater than 5, then it will become 0. अगर 5 हो या 5 से बड़ा हो तो ये दोनों 0 हो जाते हैं, and here plus 1 we will do. So 3 plus 1 4, and 1 same as it is. Understood? So this type we can do rounding off nearest 10, or you can estimate to nearest 100. Okay. So these are the this is the method to rounding off to nearest 100. Now on the basis of these methods we will see how to do calculation or how to do estimation to rounding off. So let's we start our question number 2. Estimate the following to the nearest 100. First part, that is 170 plus 395. Okay, so look at here. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay, so we have to round off nearest 100. यानी इससे round off करना है. So we will see this place. Here is 9 greater than 5. 5 से बड़ा है. So it will become 0, 0, and here plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Or you can remember like this, 395 comes between 300 and 400. 395 किसके बीच में आता है? 300 और 400 के बीच में. तो ये किसके ज़्यादा नियरेस्ट है? किसके ज़्यादा पास है? 300 के या 400 के? It is nearest to 400. So that's why we have written here 400. Understood? Plus we have to round off nearest 100. इसे round off करना है, so we will see the tens place. Okay, tens place digit को देखेंगे. तो यहाँ क्या है? 7. Here is 7 greater than 5, so it will become 0. It will become also 0, and here plus 1 we will do. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 2 means 170 comes in between 100 and 200. 170 100 और 200 के बीच में आता है. तो ये किसके ज़्यादा नियरेस्ट है? 100 के या 200 के? तो naturally 170 is nearest to 200. That's why we have written here 200. Okay. Now we have to add these both, 200 and 400, 600. So our answer is 600. Understood everybody? Now B part. 3280 plus 4395. Okay, so now this is ones place, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, so we have to round off nearest 100. Round off करना है nearest 100 means we have to round off this 100 place. Okay, so we have to concentrate here at tens place. Tens place पे क्या है? 9. It is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So it will become 0. It will become also 0. And here plus 1 we will do. So 3 plus 1, 4. And here 4. Same as it is. Okay. So 4395 comes in between 4300 and 4400. So it is nearest to 4400. Okay. Again, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. So 100 place we have to do round off. Round off करना है 100 place. So we have to see the tens place. Here is 8. Greater than 5. 5 से बड़ा है. तो इसका मतलब ये 0 and it is also 0 and here plus 1 will be 2 plus 1 3 and here also 3. So 3300 plus 4400. So we have to add them. So 0 0 4 and 3 7 4 and 3 7. 7700 is the answer. Understood everybody? I hope you understood nicely type of questions now, and you are amateur also. So next part, C part we have to do now. Addition we are solving now. 5130 5130 plus 1410. Okay, same method. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 100 place to round off करना है, so this place we have to do round off. So we will concentrate on tens place. क्या है यहाँ पे? 1 less than 5 यहाँ हमें +1 नहीं करना है. Okay, why? Because here is less than 5. 5 से छोटा. Now again ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay. So which place we have to do round off? 100 place. इसे round off करना है. So which place we will observe? Tens place. यहाँ क्या है? 3. It is 3 means less than 5. तो अगर 5 से छोटा होता है, then we put 0. Here also 0, and these both same as 0. Understood? So now we have to add these both. Okay. So add 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 1, 6. So this is our answer, 6,500. Understood everybody? So addition we have seen how to estimate it. Okay. Now the next question of subtraction. 678 minus 215. Okay. So look at here. Same method. Ones, tens, 100 place we have to round off. So we will observe tens place. यहाँ पे क्या है? 1 less than 5. 5 से छोटा है. It will become 0. It will become 0, and these two will become same as it is. Okay. Minus ones, tens, 100. Which place we have to do round off? 100 place. इसे round off करना है. So we have to observe this place, tens place. So here is 7 greater than 5. 5 से बड़ा है, then it will become 0. It will become 0, and here +1 will be. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 700 minus 200, that means 500. So this is our answer. Understood everybody? So now the last part we have to solve. See the okay, one more. E by 957 minus 578. 578. Same method. Ones, tens, 100. We have to round off nearest 100. So we will observe tens place. Here is 7 greater than 5. 5 से बड़ा है. It will become 0. It will become 0, and here +1 we will do. So 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Means 578 comes in between 500 and 600. 578 जो है वो 500 और 600 के बीच में आता है. And 570 is nearest to 500 और 600. ये किसके ज़्यादा nearest होगा? 500 के या 600? Naturally it is nearest to 600. That's why we have written here 600. Okay. Now ones, tens, 100. 100 place we have to round off. So we will observe 10 place. Here is 5. अगर 5 है या 5 से बड़ा है, if it is 5 or greater than 5, then these both will become 0, and here +1 we will do. Okay. So 9 plus 1, 10 means 1000. So 1000 minus 600, that means 400 is our answer. Understood? So now last part of this question we have to solve. 7,258 minus 2,429. 2,429. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Okay. So we have to round off nearest 100. So we will see tens place. Here is 2. 2 means less than 5. 5 से छोटा है. It will become 0. It will also become 0. And these both will become same as it is 2004. 5 or greater than 5, then these both will become 0, and here plus 1 we will do. 2 plus 1 3, 7,300. Okay, so now we have to subtract it. 0, 0, 13 minus 4, 9, 6 minus 2, 4. 4,900 will be our answer. Understood, everybody? So this is the method. Both method I have told. First you can see the number and then after think that between which and which number it is coming. Okay, and after that this number is nearest to which number you can observe nicely and you can write. Or the method which I have told is the place which we have to do rounding off, that again we have to see the digit, and if it is less than 5 then these both will become 0 and this remaining digit will come as it is, and if it is 5 or greater than 5 then these both will become 0 and here plus 1 we will do. This is the method. Understood? So I hope now these types of question, rounding off to nearest 10, rounding off to nearest 100, you can do nicely and you can estimate these kind of sums also. Understood? So some homework I am giving related to this question, estimate to the nearest 100, that you will have to solve in your homework. Okay, so write down these questions for your homework. Okay, so these questions you will have to solve in your homework copy, and nearest 100 you will have to solve this. Okay, so I hope you can do nicely these type of questions. Now you are habitual also.